Hello everyone, welcome to Adlax kitchen. Today's recipe is simple and crispy wheat dosa which is made with broken wheat. Let's see the ingredients. 1 cup of urad dal, half teaspoon of methi seeds or fenugreek seeds. Add enough water and wash thoroughly until the water runs clear. Now add enough water and soak it for 3 to 4 hours. Now take 2 cups of broken wheat. Add enough water and rinse well. Now add enough water and soak it for 3 to 4 hours. Since I am using thin poha, I am soaking only for 10 to 15 minutes. If the poha is thick, make sure you are soaking it for more time. Now the dal is soaked well. Remove the excess water and we'll grind the dal first. Same recipe can be used to make wheat idli also, but make sure while grinding add less water and make it to a thick batter. Now we will grind poha and broken wheat. Now mix well and allow to ferment for 8 to 9 hours or overnight. Now the batter is fermented and we'll start making dosas. Add salt as required and mix gently. Once tawa is hot, sprinkle few drops of water so that the tawa temperature can be maintained. Pour the batter and spread around the pan as required. Add some ghee or oil, but it is purely optional. Now the wheat dosa is ready. Do try it out and let me know the suggestions. If you like the recipe, please do subscribe my channel.